Bonjour. So now that you know your vocab, let's make sure you can say it. So your job is listen to it, say it, and then say it again once you see the word. Okay, so let's give it a try. So we start with un soda, un jus d'orange, careful with that silent S, un jus de pomme, un jus de tomate, un jus de raisin, une eau, une limonade. Now, heads up, that might not be what you think. You're thinking lemonade, but actually in France, it's a delicious lemon lime beverage. Un café, un thé, un chocolat, un chocolat. So lots of silent things happening there. Okay, merci beaucoup. These are here if you need some more help.